You're growing with HubSpot, but researching with Perplexity. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when new contacts are created in HubSpot, generate AI-powered lead insights and strategies. Or provide intelligent deal guidance when HubSpot deal stages change. Or even automatically generate company research and insights when HubSpot properties are updated. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between HubSpot and Perplexity, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.